You know, our world can change like in a second. I don't want to be silent, and I want to speak up.
My passion for climate justice started when I was really young. My dad was always talking about it.
This is a place that I've grown up. Personally, I want to stay in Maine.
I don't want to lose these places. I want to fight for them.
So great to see everyone here on such a gorgeous day. The state of Maine's youth is really energized and ready to take action on so many things.
Anybody can get involved on some level to personally invest themselves in creating a better future.
My end goal would be in city planning, looking at how we can implement sustainability in our everyday lives.
I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. Heat pumps are the most efficient heating source. They're ultimately helping our environment.
I feel like we talk about statistics a lot when we talk about climate change, and I really wanted to turn statistics into stories, which led me to writing my debut novel, Changes in the Weather.
Young people will be the leaders of these communities soon enough. I think a lot of adults think they listen, and they don't listen actively, and that's something I feel really passionate about, is this intergenerational collaboration.
I'm a youth rep on the Maine Climate Council's Coastal and Marine Working Group. During my first meeting, one of them said something to me that really stuck out. They said that my presence there reminded them of the urgency of the situation.
It's important for our generation to get involved with climate change because we're the ones that are going to be living in this environment for years and years to come.
The youth voice needs to be centered in this discussion. We have a lot of creative things to share.
Maine is a leader in climate action nationally and internationally, and young people in Maine are also leaders.
When a lot of young people get together, it creates a more powerful movement.
I am young, but I am willing, and I am not alone.
We all get together and devote energy towards this issue. I think it's something that we can seriously mitigate.
I'm just really hopeful right now and really excited to see what is happening.
It's great because I actually feel like my voice is being heard.
Optimism and joy and hope are the essential ingredients for climate action.
Turning your passion into purpose. You can enter this conversation in so many different ways.
Climate&Me.
Climate&Me is planning for the future.
It's me speaking my voice.
Spreading the message through research and fiction.
It's using my words to change the world.
Climate&Me is connecting youth to climate action.
There's a place for everybody.